So, welcome back everyone. We have completed our rights from 1 to 6. Today, we are going to study about the Article 22 right to right against torture. So, no person who is arrested or detained shall be subjected to physical or mental torture and cruel or inhuman or degrading treatment. An act of criminal clause in 1 shall be punishable by the law, or any person who is the victim of such treatment shall have the right to obtain the compensation in accordance with the law. Article 23 right against the preventive detentions. No person shall be held under the preventive detention unless there is a sufficient ground of existence of immediate threats to the sovereignty, territorial integrity, or the public peace and order of the Nepal. Information about the situation of the person who is held under preventive detentions pursuant to a clause 1 must be given immediate to his or her family members or relative, provided that this clause shall not be applied to the citizen of an enemy state. Okay, this is very important. If the authority making the preventive detentions hold any person under the preventive detention contrary to the law in or in a bad faith, the person held under the prevention detention shall have the right to obtain the compensation in accordance with the law. So, Article 24 will discuss the right against the untouchability and discrimination. This is very important. Everyone should understand what it is saying. No person shall have been subjected to any form of untouchability and discrimination in any private or public places underground for his or her origin, caste, tribes, community, profession, occupation, and physical condition. In producing or distributing of any good, service, or facility, or no person belonging to any particular caste or tribe shall be prevented from purchasing or acquiring such goods, service, or facility, nor shall such goods, service, and facilities should be sold or distributed provided only to the person belonging to any particular caste and tribe. Okay. 3. No act purporting to demonstrate any person or community as superior or inferior on the ground of origin, caste, and tribes and physical condition of justifying social criminal local on the grounds of the caste, tribes, and untouchability, and or propagating the ideology based on the untouchability and the caste-based superiority or hatred, or encouraging the caste-based discrimination in the manner to whatsoever shall be allowed. No discrimination in any form shall be allowed at the workplace, with or without making the untouchability on the ground of the caste. This is also very important. Any act of the untouchability and the discriminatory any for in any for committed in contraventions of these articles shall be punishable by the law as a severe social offence, and victims of such act shall be right to obtain the compensation in accordance with the law. This is also very important. So that Article 25 deals with the right relating to the property. Every citizen of shall have subjected to the law shall have a right to acquire, own, sell, depose, acquire, business profit from, and otherwise deal with the profit, provided that. So you can read this conditions. So second is the state shall not accept for the public interest requisitions of requisitions acquired or otherwise created an encumbrance on and property of the person, provided that this clause shall be not applicable to any property acquired by any person illicitly. Third is the basis of the compensation of to be provided or and procedure to be followed for in the requisitions by the estate of the property of any person of the public interest in the accordance with the clause 2 shall be provided for the act. So the fourth number deals talks about the provision of the clause 3 and 4 shall not be prevented the state from making the land reforms, management, and regulations in accordance with the law of a purpose of enhancement of the product and productivity of the land, modernization and commercialization of agriculture, environment protections and plant housing and urban development. Fifth, deals about nothing shall be prevent the state from using the property of any person, which it has coincided for the public interest in accordance to the clause 3 for any other public interest instead of such public interest. So we'll end this lecture from here. We'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.